morning, baby. Why are you not up yet?
Bob, I'm feeling all hot. And achoo!
Baby, looks like you're feeling sick. Let's get you to the doctor, quick. The doctor's going to check you up. You'll be feeling all right, baby, yup.
Achoo!
It appears baby's taken all his shots. Let's see if baby's feeling hot. Let's listen to your heart going thump. Let's take a look at your tum.
Am I all right, doctor?
It appears baby's got the flu. That's why baby's feeling blue. Let me write for you meds, get you back to bed. That's what we will do.
The doctor knows what is best. Let me tuck baby in as he needs to rest. Just take all your pills and sleep all night, and you'll wake up in the morning feeling all right.
I'm feeling all well, Bob. Let's have some breakfast.